The legendary tennis player almost tumbled off a staircase railing, and she looked absolutely sensational while doing it. Serena Williams may be serious when she's battling on the tennis courts, but on her days off, she certainly knows how to let her hair down and have a little fun. The iconic athlete, 40, shared a hilarious clip of herself via Instagram, below, on March 18, where she attempts to slide down a staircase railing. In an incredible move of dexterity, fit for a Grand Slam winner, Serena somehow manages to avoid a disastrous fall and an embarrassing wardrobe malfunction. Speaking of wardrobe, the Wimbledon champ looked absolutely sensational in her all-black ensemble. She rocked a plunging crop top which showed off her fit figure, while the Tutu displayed her fashionista sensibility. Her gorgeous chestnut tresses with soft highlights were left long and loose, as she went virtually makeup-free, allowing her natural beauty to shine. Serena topped off the sophisticated look with a short pearl necklace. And the aerobatic act was all done in a pair of stilettos. The tennis pro has been in the headlines recently, as the Will Smith movie King Richard, a biopic about her father Richard, has been making the award show rounds and taking home multiple trophies. Will, who is nominated for a Best Actor Oscar playing the Williams patriarch, spoke to HollywoodLife.com in an exclusive interview about Richard's impact on Serena and sister Venus. Related gallery. Serena Williams' sexiest looks, pics. Venus and Serena have learned from Richard, from War Scene, how to find that unique thing inside of a person and feed the flame, without having to push and demand that they be something and do something that you know you want them to be. They allow them to grow into what they want to be. Will went on to say the sisters were supportive through the whole movie production process, but they wanted to see the final product before putting their stamp of approval on it. I remember they went into the movie theater, they watched it, and they were both mess coming out of the theater, he recalled. Serena said, "Thank you for telling the world the truth about our daddy.